town of Newton, the vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search to the nearby...
Alright, I'm by myself.
Me too.
I'm gonna get up out of here, I promise you.
Come on, dog.
Nah, this is how the game starts out.
Gotta focus.
Gotta give us down to us.
Got it.
I got a box next to me.
Can I get through here?
And I got a door next to me. He's close by.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Oh my god, he's on me, bro. He's on me. You know where I'm at. I'm dead. He's got me.
Hello.
Man, he on me, bro. Alright. You trying to exit or anything?
I think I know where
I got 2 keys, but he... Alright, bet. I think I can escape from here. Yeah. I gotta get some rest.
I got 2 keys too.
Oh, well. How close were you? How close were you to that?
What do you mean?
You ain't see when I make that noise. I gotta find it though. I found one, but I made noise next to it. I hear somebody running.
I found it.
Oh, is that you? Look, John. Dead.
Is it you?
Yep.
Alright, come on.
Oh, what's this?
I think it's...
Let's keep going. Stick together. Right here.
How do we get out of here?
And the door's open. Door's open.
Think.
And it's a ladder.
Think.
Oh yeah.
Gonna hear me.
Oh, chicken. Chicken.
Please don't let that thing come back.
Where'd you go?
Out front. Grandpa's out here, so don't let him see you. Oh yeah, we got that, bro. Where you at? Oh, be careful. There goes the hitchhiker. Alright, he feeding blood. Don't move.
I'm by the grandpa. The well.
Oh, he in a shack. He's still around here though. Don't move. Man, make sure you stay in the bush. Stay right there. I see you. I'm next to you.
I'm trying to stay still, bro.
That's alright, bro. We gonna hurry. I know where we need to go.
So you?
Yeah, we can't go there. We gotta go around. Come on. This is the way he went, though. And we just lost it to him.
We lost Leatherface.
But I mean, he was level 0. Still.
I mean, this is no Leatherface. This is hitchhikers, right?
Yeah, that one. Alright, I'm opening the gate.
Alright, I'm opening the gate.
Watch my back. Even though I'm Leland, you should be opening the gate. Yeah, I guess next time you open it.
Just think. Just
Yeah,
think. There's got to be a way out.
Alright, after this week we can escape, boy. Girl. Come on, we out of here. We out of here. Shut that behind you. We out of here.
Here's him. Yeah, somebody's chasing.
Alright, hide in the bushes.
Killer that.
Hide in the bush, hide in the bush. Hide over here with me. Next to the battery. Right. Yeah, stay right there. Right. Watch my
I
back.
don't think it's
Bro.
What
I'm in a
happened?
trap. They know where we're at. Get away from
Go
me.
get by the exit.
Gotta be more careful.
I'm not doing it. Should I do it? Just say fuck it. Alright, I'm turning the battery off.
Do it.
We getting up out of here.
Why are you key-locking it?
What are you talking about? Alright, do it. He coming.
Huh?
I think he come. Oh, we out of there. We out of there. We out of there. We out of there.
Gotta keep going.
Stop playing. We do that every time we win. You know how me and John get down. We be escaping every time, you know. Leatherface ain't killing us. You know what I'm saying? I gotta save my woman, my lady. You my old lady.
That's something, what?
Man, he ain't leave. We did that shit easy, you know. That was the hardest match. You know what I'm saying? But make sure y'all like and subscribe and comment. And we see y'all the next one. Alright,
Keep
bro.
it 5-5.